Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on Cardano price analysis and technical details of the day of 29th of May 2023. We're looking for discovering from the most rational point what's happening on the market. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe us, like the video, and check out our main channel where we have ChatGPT bot trading and we have a whole lot of things running. We're going to talk about our bot trading a little bit later on. What's happening on CoinMarketCap across the global crypto market cap, which is up by 2.35% over the last day. The only problem with that is the whole movement has happened during the weekend, and usually the movements are considered and categorized by the traders as weak movements of the markets during the weekends, and they are denied during the business days. This is what happens most of the time. So I'm most likely afraid if we're not going to have the ability to consolidate and then create another swing high shortly, we will be suffering a retracement again during this week of the markets. Cardano is actually 1.88% up in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, the last 7 days have been looking decent. An average of the market, nothing special. It doesn't stand out. Everything is running smooth. At the same time, looking into the charts, not before, for those of you that are interested in our bot trading with ChatGPT, we have our trading report where you will be able to see our performance on a weekly basis, including the number of trades and the final results, and then the 2 options available and many other explanations, which are based on pure commission, no upfront fee, no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where every trade is running smoothly on API trading, all outsourced. I'll talk about in details at the end of the video. In terms of the charts, and this is where the most interesting part is getting into, 1 hour candlesticks, what we have here for Cardano is a very interesting breakout of the ranging structure, which could mean something. The breakout of the ranging structure has the first signal appearing at 36 cents around this level, where we have basically the creation of the impulse, a possible impulse which ends with the number 5 movement, and this is a swing high towards the 39.40 cents. It has to be visualized, it has to be researched. That didn't happen, but it can happen in the way we have structured the market at the moment. Now, in order for that price action to get into the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is, by the way, the golden ratio level, and then the number 5 Elliott wave impulse, in the way it's portrayed, it will not be easy at all, due to the fact that we have been already trying to build up on an uptrend, which has numerous resistances and a potential fake out of the structure at this time. So I would be careful when it is time to discuss about continuous movements upwards during this market conditions that are very, very choppy. If you saw the last weeks, we were chopping back and forth and we're taking people out of their trades. Even in this structure to the left, you see the up and down movements without any proper trend, and then the same thing happened over here. The first move of a trend happens this time. Now I'm afraid that we broke out of the resistance structure at the top. This is a supply zone, and we have been sort of retracing back quite quickly to the supply zone. So if it doesn't hold, it's going to be a fake out, and the golden ratio at 37 will be retested, and then on top of that there is a probability of the trending line retest. But those are 2 good places of scalping, 37 cents and then 36.4. These are 2 great places for people to consider scalping Cardano upwards if our sort of a way zone fails right now to be holding us. That's it for the Cardano for today, guys. That's where we are. And then on the other side, like I said, you have the probability to complete the Elliott wave pattern, which has 5 movements. The swing between 2 and 3 is strong, just like the swing between 4 and 5. This is a custom specific Elliott wave movement. Great, beautiful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like video, put your thoughts in the comments area, and for those of you interested to discover more about our ChatGPT bot trading, we have basically trades and videos about the way we perform with this. We have videos in our channel. You have the explanation, very simple. We perform the API trading for you. You connect basically exchange account with trading permission alone. And every 7 days, you'll receive a trading report. How did we perform? If there is profit, a commission will be requested of basically a specific amount. Every 7 days, it happens like that. That's pretty much all in a nutshell. You can qualify for a free conversation with me if you're interested to find out more, or simply drop me an email or complete the form here for more explanations and all that stuff. At the same time, if you'd like to become a trader, we have a one-on-one coaching, and I have an explanation video for that. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.